Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be explaining how I got my first 1,000 subscribers in under 3 months. Just bear in mind that I'm not a YouTube whiz and I'm definitely not the algorithm, but some of these tips aren't just mine, they're other YouTubers who have succeeded on the platform. Some of these tips have helped me grow my channel to this size, which is 2,273 subscribers. The first tip I've got for you is to have a schedule. Now, if you're just watching this video just to get an easy, quick 1,000 subscribers, that doesn't work. That's unless your video goes viral, you get millions of views and then millions of subscribers, but that's just not how it works on YouTube anymore. It's better to be organised and be ahead, and having a schedule will definitely help that. Making sure your audience knows when and where you're going to upload your video will dramatically increase your views and then your subscribers. That's if they don't have the notification bell on, of course, which, if you subscribe to me, turn it on so you're notified every time I upload a video. My schedule at the moment is every Saturday. That's because in the week I'm at college or at work, and on weekends I have spare time, so that's when I get my editing and recording done, like today. If you guys go through your timetable and through your week, think about the times that you are free and then just record then and then edit when after. Just think about it. Imagine not having a schedule. You have 2 videos ready to upload. Don't just upload them at the same time. That's a waste of views and then a waste of subscribers. You want to plan it out. Upload every Saturday, Wednesday, Thursday, whenever fits your timetable so your audience knows where to go. This also means you can publicise it onto social media, meaning more views. Leading on to the second tip is promoting on social media. Hopefully you guys haven't been living under a rock recently and you've heard of Facebook. I use Facebook, my nan uses Facebook, everyone uses Facebook. Facebook is a very large platform. If you guys go onto Facebook and just type up YouTuber groups, YouTube content creator groups, there'll be plenty of groups out there mainly aimed to help young content creators just like you to gain subscribers and views. So once you've uploaded your video onto YouTube, whack the link into one of these groups, easy hundreds of views and maybe even subscribers. The third tip is sort of like sub for sub, shout out on Facebook or YouTube. This is where you're going to go into the posts on Facebook and you're going to comment sub for sub and then insert your link underneath. This means that people will subscribe to you and they'll comment on your post saying done, and then you just have to subscribe to them. But if you want to do it a stingy way, you just unsubscribe from them a month after. If you don't want to use Facebook, use YouTube. There's millions of content creators and billions of comments on their videos. Just go into the comments on any video you click on and just say sub for sub, like for like, anything that will grow your channel so more people will see it. Trust me, there'll be people out there as hungry as you are for subscribers. I'm not really going to count this as a tip, but it's tell your friends and family. Imagine looking down the family tree, seeing the wills, the money, but instead of seeing that, you see subscribers. 2 nans, 2 subs, 2 granddads, 2 subs, 2 dads, 2 subs, 2 moms, 2 subs. Anyone in your family, just ask them to subscribe to you. I'm sure they'll do it. The other day, I was on 2,269 subscribers. I just needed that one more to tip me over the edge. So I went down to my nan's house. Of course, she had no clue what YouTube was, so I just ended up creating a fake account anyway. I wouldn't recommend that. It's a joke. Tip 4 is title and thumbnail. There's no point having a banging title, then a rubbish thumbnail. Go on the internet and create a thumbnail. There's literally no excuse. There's websites like Pixlr, PicMonkey, Photoshop. All these websites help you create thumbnails for your videos. But it also can work the other way around. There's no point having a really good thumbnail than a crap title. Imagine you've just done some gameplay on COD or FIFA or Fortnite, calling it washing dishes with my mum, sweeping up the house. There's really no point, it's irrelevant to the topic. If you want to try and get a nuke, call it trying to get a nuke, getting the nuke, anything like that. Just don't overcomplicate it when it comes to the uploading process. Tip 5 is YouTube tags. Tags are what you put on the video just before releasing it. Tags are used when someone misspells the title or additional information you want to put on the video but not on the title. Or even things that relate to the video and you want to grow your audience to a wider range. A really good website for this is Rapid Tags. The link will be down in the description. I use this website and a lot of other YouTubers use this website. All you do is before you upload your video onto YouTube, paste your title into the search bar on Rapid Tags and it will generate tags for your YouTube video that link with the title. Of course you can add your own tags if you want to, such as your name, when people type up your name to come up. This video is definitely not sponsored, by the way. But this video is sponsored by Blizzard Grips. Blizzard Grips is an only Instagram account which sell gaming accessories to your demand. If you DM them or comment on any of the posts saying Shawy, they'll give you a 20% off your next purchase. And the final tip is don't rush things and be yourself. Mainly because once you hit those first 1,000 subscribers, that's not the end of the road. They may be the hardest, but there's plenty more people out there that are willing to subscribe and watch your videos. It's also about the 4,000 watch hours, which I'll be doing a video on shortly. If this video helped you out in any way, please subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. Also, comment anything down below I failed to explain or any new ideas you want me to do. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching.